This is the diamond lace stitch, which I have a video earlier on this, and I am planning to make a dress. Right now I'm in stages of it, so I just want to record my progress. And this is the front panels and the side panels. Now, I made this a little, a bit protruding so I could make a sleeve on it. And this is, like I said, this is a work of progress. And I like to update you when this is done. Show you the progress as it goes. Probably in a couple of weeks. Wish me luck. I'm making this just off the top of my head. I'm not using a pattern. I just make it up as I go.